this ring. Wait, don't pull yet. I'm going to show you. Just get your fingers on there. One thing at a time. Are you on there right? Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, now up and release. Look at that.
Way to go!
Look at that. Isn't that cool? You want to do another one?
Let me go.
You want to do another one? I'll let you do this one, okay?
Be patient,
Hold it,
patient,
a little
strap.
patient. Put your feet right. You got to think about everything because everything is about safety too, okay?
Watch.
The green one goes towards you.
The green.
See? Look,
There
it'll
you
only
go.
it'll go two ways. It'll go where the blue one's towards you or the green one. And like that. Okay? Under. Get your thumb off of here. There you go. Now, straighten your arm. Straighten. Yep. You're good. Oh, okay. Get your fingers set up. There you go. Straighten your arm. And release. There you go. That's how it works, dude. One more. That's okay. Listen, you start hitting the paper, then you can start bringing them together a little closer, and pretty soon all three arrows are going to be in a little tiny hole like that. It's awesome. But it takes practice. You got to do it and do it and do it. Here you go. Okay? All right. There you go. Whoop! He's doing it the drop way. There you go. Pay attention. Look at what you're shooting at. What are you going to hit? Oh, and it went over. That's okay. We'll go
Stop.
find it.